So everyone, come back with Mr. Ramnes. Today I'm going to share how to install Openclaw on your computer. Before I'm doing the installation process, by the way, as a disclaimer, I already installed Openclaw on my computer, but I would like to highlight step by step how you guys install Openclaw simply on your computer. Instead, there is Windows or MacBook. I'm okay with that. But the things that you guys need to pay attention to is the security system on your Mac OS or your Windows need to be read carefully, or you're gonna skip or doing sort of mismatch that put you guys in danger when your credential is exposed. And as a preview, as you guys see on the screen right now, I'm already on a directory of Openclaw itself. It's ready on GitHub. The project's edge is about like 5 months ago. And let's talk about the project itself one by one and read carefully. For the installation of Openclaw itself, it's pretty simple, easy, but you really need to firstly install Llama first. If you would like to integrate it with your local LLM, as we understand that we connect to the subscribed language model, it may take our token like we don't know yet without of control, but if we do it to simulation locally, we can control the budget. So first of all, before you installing Olama, you need to go to this website first. Olama launch Openclaw with one word because you're not installing Olama yet. You just go to documentation of Olama first with the docs and you get to know how to install Olama. After the installation of Llama, then it's good for you to go to Openclaw GitHub. There's a quick setup for quick start. Just download Llama. This is a recommendation if you guys would like to go through it easily without any barriers. Pretty easy, download, install, it's running. Make sure you're calling your large language model ready before the installation of Llama. And just go to the new tab and we firstly call our large language model first before you connect it to Openclaw. Firstly, because I'm already installing Gemma4, I'm just calling it Llama Gemma4. Okay, I get the wrong command. That's all right. Llama run Gemma4. This might be there. While it's running, let's do a little conversation first before we happily connect that large language model. Well, this sort of anomaly because previously already running it and that's totally fine with that. This is the API gateway when you're running Openclaw on your computer, but since I'm not turning on the Openclaw gateway, it's still off. So we need to turn it on first before we gonna get through it step by step. Just wait a second and we can just run Openclaw dev gateway. Okay, I'm going to run Openclaw. Well, right now I'm running Openclaw again, guys. So just need to wait until it's completely run and see what's happened. So you guys can see over here, the model that we're running on Openclaw is Gemma4. We're running it through the online time. Running Gemma4 again. Let's see what's happening. I'm going to click update. Well, already entering to playground of the Openclaw stuff. I'm really installing Gemma4, which is the latest open source model from Google. It's really powerful and lightweight for to entry level computer. And for the test that I was doing lately, just asking specific question. There are a lot of available model. Anyway, you can just choose, but you might get an error if you choose a lot of model that you're not installing yet on your computer. So make sure it's ready installed. Well, this is really powerful one. You can configure anything just by dropping a message here. You drop API key for your Telegram, for your Google account, for your Instagram or WhatsApp, from Twitter, or any kind of API. An Openclaw will set it up when already set up. It will automate anything. Like it's really freaking good. So I'm going just to test how to configure the Telegram API here. So I can control my computer in remote way. Just drop the question and it will answering later on. Quite a bit. It takes quite a bit of time because there's no RTX 4080 is not a flagship GPU. It might take well, but not that too long. Just need to wait till we get the answer. These are the tools or skills that we are activating for the assistant itself. And you guys need to make sure when you're running Openclaw, just Openclaw gateway port, you can set it up in any port, but just make sure the port is the first port that you already set up for the first time. And we're going to move for the installation process itself for Openclaw. First of all, there are a couple of methods to install Openclaw. But the method that I choose here is just using npm, not using install daemon, because I already have npm and not JS here. And this is the full beginner guide. You would like to install it using daemon, but I'm just skipping that thing. Well, actually, when I'm just hitting Openclaw, this thing, it gets me to the installation process. That's when you like to select the option in the terminal for the installation process, you select blah blah blah. Just use space for selecting it. After that, use enter. My suggestion for you, a little bit of advice, just need to do it all the manual way. Just hit the quick start button, skipping anything, set up for API key, and just focusing on already get the answer here. Setting Telegram API for remote control is quite involved. It depends entirely on what system can listen to commands on your computer. It's explaining what you need to do to get an API key on Telegram. It's really not. And mapping command, language, and 3D, which I'm from, and basically just drop the API key here and everything is set up. But be careful. You need to know the consequences when you drop the API key. Openclaw will just automatically set that up for you. That's it. The guide for the installation for the Openclaw itself. If you have any question, just feel free to text me or give me a DM on Instagram or anything. I'll be answering the question for the installation itself. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys can get a little bit understanding of Openclaw. And see you guys in the next video.